Hello, I'm Dr. Michael Bailey, President of the American Veterinary Medical Association. As veterinary professionals, we dedicate our lives to caring for animals, clients, and communities. And we're not alone in that work. The American Veterinary Medical Foundation, or AVMF, AVMA's philanthropic foundation, stands with us every step of the way to strengthen our profession and support those we serve. Through the AVMF REACH program, AVMA members can receive reimbursements for charitable care they provide, ensuring pets get treatment when their families can't afford it. In 2024, AVMF provided over $1.8 million to help more than 1,700 pets and families. When disaster strikes, the AVMF is ready to respond with relief grants. AVMF awards over 350 scholarships annually to deserving students, helping ease the financial burden of their education. They also support the AVMA Axon platform, which delivers high-quality continuing education to veterinarians, technicians, and students. And through research, AVMF helps advance treatment and improve outcomes for the animals we serve. The American Veterinary Medical Foundation stands with us, and now I invite you to stand with them by giving a gift today and supporting the future of veterinary medicine.